Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Crazy Party 7. Today I'm going to show you a little trick that you can play on your friends. So if you go over to the shadow cube, and you see how it clicks E, you're going to want to, before that, click escape, put your thing on respawn for later. So now you're going to take this, I hit the wrong thing, but you're going to take it, and while it's been on your finger, you're going to press this, and then press A. This trick only works for on computers, and it's really cool trick that you can play on your friends. Let me show you. So you go on it, put on respawn, oh my god, I didn't take the shadow cube. See, you gotta take the shadow cube first. Gotta take the shadow cube first. It's a really cool trick though. If I could get it here, it will look really cool. So you come over, put it on respawn, okay, so on respawn, E, respawn A. I got it. See, you'll know if the shadow cube now is in the spot where your pickaxe would be. So look, I'm invisible. Can't see me. They can't see me. The only thing that they can see is my gun. The only thing that they can see me is their gun. So, but if you click on this way, they can't see you at all. But then you take out your gun, they can see you with your gun. Everything still works properly. You go into your cube to turn fully invisible so nobody can see you, and then you can just go right behind them and get them. Also on this, you can press the right hand button and hold it down, and it will take you out. See? So you take it. See? You're thinking that I'll take you out, but it won't. So you can't do that. The only way to do it is to die or get restart. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like on this video. Thanks for seeing ya. This is Crazy Party 7, and peace out.